Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Bismillah Ta'ala, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this healthy swallow. So let's begin. Bismillah. I'm using Bodybuilder Ultrafine Ground Oats. I come across this product on Amazon when I was looking for alternative to pounded yam or pando yam. From this being an healthy option, is even cheaper than pounded yam. You can get 4 kg on Amazon for £7.64. After concluding that I'm going to be using this to make swallow, I need to decide which soup, sauce or stew to use. I decided to go for my special okra soup. And I also brought out the Buka style assorted stew. So I'll put them in the microwave to defrost while I prep the swallow. Let's begin. Bismillah. Add about 100 grams of the flour to cold water. You mix well and make sure it's not lumpy. Add boiled water. On the heat and cover this and let it boil. Keep mixing occasionally. It is being the mixture is bubbling up, but it's still not thick enough. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. I'll reduce the heat, let the bubble settle, then I'll add the flour. Need no flour. This oat flour. I think next time I'm making this, I'm going to shift the flour before I start making the swallow so that it won't be lumpy. It is actually coming and looking nice. After mixing well, I'm sure that there is no lump. I add a little bit of water, then I'll cover it to boil. Be sure to create space in between the swallow. This is after 5 minutes. Rough estimate, I think I use. People with diabetes can eat this without worrying of their blood sugar shooting up. It's up to here, so the rough estimate, I think I use 600 to 700 grams of oat flour to make this. You can call this oat flour or oat fufu, whatever you like, or oat Amala, but I'm liking the result that I'm seeing. If you have diabetes and you love swallow, this one is for you. It's oat meal. It's not even oat meal, it's oat flour fufu. The good thing about this is that Let me unwrap one for you so that you can see the texture. You see, it's very soft. You can see, very soft. And I'm going to be having it with my okra soup. This one, it's still very hot. You see the texture. There is no lumps. It's not lumpy, and the taste. It tastes amazingly good. It's so nice. Let me see what my uncle has got. I think he has shaki. I don't know. Yeah, that's fish ejegun. This goat's hair, and that's shaki. Yeah, smoked turkey. That's what the okra has got. So let me go and enjoy this. This tastes nice. It tastes better than iyan to me. And the texture is good. Inshallah, I'll share with you the health benefits of oat flour. Please and please, if you're a swallow lover and you haven't tried it, go and try it. Alhamdulillah, everybody enjoyed the meal. The funniest part is that when I asked them to guess what type of swallow it is, nobody were able to guess that it was oat. So when I told them that it was oat, they say, wow. That's the response I get. That I never believed that you can make oat swallow and it can taste that amazingly good. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. And don't forget to keep smiling.